Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna add a couple more from this shoot with Natasha, and let's get started. So the first one is a backlight. The light is from this direction on the left upper left corner, directly hitting behind her head on this side right here, so it creates a nice highlight on this one. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add a little bit more of the exposure and then increase the contrast. And because it's we can use a 4:5 crop, slightly turn back, and then I make sure it's more toward the center area, and I leave some flower on the side right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna do some skin retouching. So because it's backlights, I'm gonna not use the portraiture 3, just doing a simple smooth for the skin is fine, and then add one more layer. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more shadow in here in the front. One more. Okay, so that's good. Adjust the framing a little bit more. There's still a little bit dot right there. I'm gonna completely crop that. Okay. Okay, so the overall vibes is good. I'm gonna do a quick skin retouch on here. Okay. So overall it's good. I export it outside. The next one, let me see which one is sharper. Okay, I like the eyes in this one. I'm gonna crop out the top right there. And there's some minor detail on the ground. I'm gonna patch the minor details. Just make it cleaner for the ground. And okay. One more clarity on the eyes. So the clarity, make sure it's around the edge of the eyes. Okay, so that's good. If it's too much yellow, I can update the tone right here, so I can reduce the amount of yellow. And later on we can add some film tone here, so there is more different feel in the film also. And I want the head has more headroom, that's why I need to crop a little bit more. I'm gonna make this small detail a little bit cleaner on the side right here. Okay. Let me try this one. This one is still a little bit annoying on the side. I'm gonna see how it looks like, because I don't like the white dot right there. Okay, so it's cleaner on the top right there, and the focus is more focusing on the eyes. And I slightly adjust, just make sure it has good framing and headroom right here. Okay, so that's good. So let me add some more light in front. Okay. Okay, let me do a portraiture 3 for this one. Okay, so that's the after the portraiture 3, that's how it looks like. The next one, I'm gonna edit this one. I'm gonna smooth the skin a little bit more. Okay, after I smooth the skin, I'm gonna copy the lighting in this one. Slightly adjust the color. I might increase the lights a little bit more for this one. Okay, and then add some clarity in the eyes area. Good. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna do is do a portraiture 3 in here. Okay, after that, and then I export it out. So that's it for this quick editing tutorial, and thanks so much for watching, and I will have more videos coming up. Bye.